Dinosaurs have been a part of my life for as long as I can remember. They've always been there, and for some reason, I've always known the difference between a Postosuchus and a Parasaurolophus. Um, but I never set out to write a song about dinosaurs. Whenever I was sitting at my kitchen table that night, it was uh, it was going to be something really serious. I was in a reflective, melancholic kind of mood. But whenever I got to that line, um, if I built a time machine, would you travel back with me? I just kind of blurted out to see the dinosaurs, and I knew at that point this song was going in a totally different direction than what I had thought, and I'm so glad that it did.